Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show. Today we're going to be going over 5 niches that you can target to increase your sales in the near future. Let's get to it. First, let's look at the top 10 organic bestsellers on Amazon, specifically Amazon merch. So the first spot, the number one bestseller, is a 250-year anniversary shirt, 1776 to 2026, BSR 5,173. They are making a lot of daily sales. I don't know what the exact number is, but if you're down there underneath 10,000, it depends on the time of year, but they are probably, by my guesstimation, making anywhere from like 40 to 80 sales a day, which I know is a wide range, but it does depend on time of year. And again, BSR is a relative data point. So if it's the 5,100th bestseller, that means that all the shirts ahead of it in the 5,172nd and below are making more sales, if that makes sense. The second shirt is Abraham Lincoln on the electric guitar, 12,000 BSR. The third one, Dad Tax, making sure it's not poison, 12,000 BSR. Number 4 spot, I'll be in the backyard with a whiskey and a cigar, another Father's Day shirt, 13,000 BSR. Number 5, Awesome Like My Daughter, another Father's Day shirt, 13,000 BSR. Number 6 spot, 250 years, you got the vertical American flag, one of those tried and true, almost like templated approaches to design that you can always go back to the well and use, 14,000 BSR. Number 7 says Spurs. Now that's related, whether Amazon merch knows it or not, to the San Antonio Spurs. I would not upload anything like that. I don't know if that was just supposed to be filtered out, but I would certainly not be selling that. I think they're going to the NBA Finals. So you're going to see some Spurs shirts everywhere probably, but be careful. Don't sell those. Number 8 spot, 16,000 BSR. It's a 250-year shirt. Number 9 is another Dad Tax, making sure it's not poison, 17,000 BSR. And then behind me here, number 10, another 250th anniversary shirt, 18,000 BSR. All right, now let's get into the ones that I hand selected. Niche number 1 is actually from Merch Dominator's newest feature, where it looks at newly created product listings on Amazon merch that have already sold. Because Amazon shows us when the listing was created and if it's sold. If it hasn't sold, it won't have a BSR. So when you see down here that I've got the BSR underneath each shirt, that's because I'm using the Merch Dominator Chrome extension so I can see it right at a glance, right while I'm browsing Amazon and researching on Amazon. But I did find this initially, a few of them, in the Merch Dominator web app where you sort by newest and then it goes and shows you all the listings that it found that are newly submitted that have sold. So the niche is Talafrico or Talarico, or all one word, Talafrico. So I guess there's a politician, it looks like, and then it looks like it's probably in Texas just based on this design right here, whose name is Tala, first name, last name Freako, Talafrico. Anytime I see political niche designs selling, I get excited because, I mean, political stuff, guys, it tends to be like new emerging trends that you don't know how big they're going to get. And people love their politics in the United States. It's a nice short way of saying it. So you don't know how many sales you're going to make, but you know it can potentially be quite a few. So I'm trying to show you this niche as early as possible, Talafrico. Here's 5 more. You can see again, another Texas flag. Looks like they're running for Senate. And Texas elements, red and white elements in the designs. All right, moving on, niche number 2, fireworks. All right, the rest of these are getting prepped for the month of July. It is June 1st as I record this. We are but a month away from being halfway through 2026, which is crazy, and July and all of the big print-on-demand niches that come with that. Of course, July 4th sneaks up on us, and fireworks is a huge part of July 4th, including t-shirts. And they're also hilarious, by the way, if you haven't looked at this niche before. Like the first one there, 300,000 BSR, it says certified fireworks blower upper. Like, that's hilarious. The next one there, fireworks safety director, I run, you run, 390,000 BSR. Next one just says fireworks staff. Next one says fireworks expert. What could possibly go wrong? The next one says official firework technician. If I run, you run. So you can guys kind of see what works. You can put your own spin on it. Here's 5 more. Fireworks director, I run, you run. Next one says democracy is dying, but hey, nice fireworks. Next one says firework director, I run, you run. Next one says fireworks manager. If you ever see me running, You should too. And then that last one here behind me, 7,000 BSR. A lot of that has to probably do with the price point being $9.99. And it is an American flag being formed from fireworks in the shape of a heart. That's pretty cool. Moving on, niche number 3. Oh, before we get to niche number 3, check out my free print-on-demand mini course linked below and my print-on-demand Facebook group also linked below. Both are free. Niche number 3, how about Christmas in July? Hey, some people love Christmas. I remember I used to watch the reality show Big Brother, and there was a girl named Christmas. So, I mean, the people who really love Christmas, that's what they do. They name their kids Christmas. Anyways, Christmas in July. Why wait till December? Let's celebrate twice a year. There are people who do that, as evidenced by the BSR on these t-shirts. Christmas in July, what more needs to be said? You can see some of the designs here. You've got the glasses with the American flags, the Santa hat, the palm trees. Santa riding a flamingo float in a pool. That's another nice one. That one has 24 reviews, 400,000 BSR. The one here behind me is just a big elf with the sunglasses, and it says Christmas in July. It's also a lot of watermelon elements. Okay, so the number 1 bestseller here on Christmas in July. Why did I think that was the number 1 bestseller? Wait, where'd it go? Hold up. I thought the lowest BSR when I was checking earlier, well, I guess if you exclude this one, it's like an all-over print, so not exactly accessible via Amazon merch. But hey, if you integrate via Printful or Printify, you can do that. Anyways, this is the one that I wanted to share, like where you have the watermelon element and you can wrap the watermelon like a Christmas tree in ornaments and whatnot and lights. And it just says Christmas in July on a red shirt. You know, red evokes the reminder of Christmas. Anyways, that's a simple design. I don't even love how they did it. I would have made the text white instead of black, but whatever. Got a 378,000 BSR and a $19.99 price point and 4.7 star review after 24 reviews total. So they're doing pretty well. Anyways, you get the gist of it, guys. It's all the elements of Christmas with that like summer, almost island vibe. You know, it's the palm tree element or, you know, Santa riding a big float in a body of water type vibe. You got to mix the two. By the way, if you're struggling to make designs that are, quote, good enough, check out Creative Fabrica. I'm going to link to it below. Guys, they have, you know, I typed in Christmas in July. You can see right here, 2,545 results. All right, like there's no shortage of graphics to assist you in building designs that are good enough to sell on Creative Fabrica. And by the way, it's like $3.99 a month. All right, niche number 4, moving on. Grilling. All right, grilling hits a, basically I don't want to say it's all-time high, but it's like on an annual basis, the all-time high for searches related to grilling peak in July. Okay, so you're going to want to be on top of that when we are in June looking forward 30 days, right? Obviously, grilling is going to do well in June for Father's Day and just during the summer in general. I know I saw a lot of people grilling over the weekend. You know, the weather was nice. So you can see there, the overall pick right here is just another vertical American flag, except this time it's made out of the grilling utensils, spatulas, etc. That one has 33 reviews, 4.9 star average. Absolutely incredible. The next one says Chillin' and Grillin'. The next one says The Grill Father, which is too close to The Godfather for my liking, so I wouldn't be selling that. The next one says My meat is 100% going in your mouth today. That's what the t-shirt says. The next one says Every butt deserves a good rub with a big pig silhouette. Next one says Grillin' like a villain. Grillin' like a villain. Barbecue timer, rare, 1 beer. Medium, 3 beers. Well done, 6-pack. Pork ribs, 12-pack. Pulled pork, 30-pack. Brisket, drunk as hell. There's some really creative, funny shirts. Next one says Grill Master, the man, the myth, the legend, in sort of that Jack Daniels bottle style design. Then the last one there, you can read it yourself. It says you can see what it says. The last one here behind me, pretty funny. All right, niche number 5, and it's gonna be hot dogs. All right, July 4th, we have the hot dog eating contest. Hot dog shirts in general are hilarious. They sell well year round. A synonym for hot dog, glizzy. So you can see right there, the number 4 shirt says glizzy gobbler. Pause. 276,000 BSR. Next one says, call me the vet because I be putting these dogs down. The next one is a hot dog jumping into a bun. Next one says, I always use a condiment, cover your wiener. And then the one behind me here is a dabbing hot dog. You can see by the BSRs too, by the way. These are the lowest BSRs from anything that we've looked at today, ranging from 200,000 to as low as 96,000. Here's another one. I got that dog in me. I literally was in the airport yesterday and saw somebody wearing this exact shirt. Granted, it does have a photo from Costco, so I mean, I personally wouldn't upload that to my account, but you get to do what you want with your account. Just, I say better safe than sorry. There's a couple more. You got an all over print hot dog shirt. Just here for the wieners, July 4th. That's what the shirt says. Next one says crazy hot dog boy. So again, Creative Fabrica, guys, you type in hot dog, you have over 3,500 results. So no excuse not to be making some hot dog related shirts a month out from July 4th. All right, emerging trends. These are all outperforming their 90-day average BSR. Could be indicative of a coming trend. You got Happy Last Day of School, Front Office Squad, Pregnant Girl Summer, Synonym Rolls, just like Grandma used to make, Proud Nana of a 2026 kindergartner, 11, Hello 11, established 2015, Juneteenth, Monster Truck shirt, just a whole bunch of stuff, guys. A dog wearing a wearing a USA hat, a nursing shirt, a pocket style shirt. By the way, on Amazon merch, guys, you can just take your bestsellers, size them down for a pocket, and just call it a pocket design. There's just so many ways you can do it. All right, looking ahead, smaller niches, at least 1 month out. July 1st, International Joke Day. July 2nd, World UFO Day. July 3rd, Eat Beans Day. July 4th, National Country Music Day, of course. July 5th, International Bikini Day. And now let's look at the archive. These were all trending 11 months ago. Could they be trending 1 month from today? Because 11 months ago is like saying, hey, what was the trend 1 month from now? And you can see a lot of Oklahoma City Thunder shirts, which again, it's an NBA team, so do not sell those. Also got some Florida Panthers. I think that's NHL. Do not sell those. In terms of the ones that we could sell, maybe the I'm Not Old, I'm Classic. Just a lot of evergreens. The black cats eating noodles for some reason. Those are always trendy. You can't tell me what to do. You are not my daughter. Anyways, you guys get the gist. All right, removed designs. These were all removed recently. So do with that what you will. It doesn't surprise me. A lot of those that had a photo of Barbie seem to have been removed recently, and I wouldn't have uploaded those in the first place because it was probably risky. Who knows, though? It doesn't mean that it was removed by Amazon. It might have been removed by the uploader, but generally speaking, if it's like a big brand that you don't have the explicit rights to sell, it's just best to steer clear. And if you see anything else that you're selling, like there's a Spurs shirt that was removed right there too. If that was, or here's a Chicago Cubs, again, anything related to sports teams, guys, you might just get banned for that. I mean, for real, they don't have a big risk, or they don't have a big tolerance policy for that stuff, guys. All right, thank you for watching till the end. My full print-on-demand course is linked below if you want to learn directly from me. Guys, please hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you soon with another new video.